right, we have Shelby. She played volleyball in high school, and so she gets lower back pain every now and then. She also reads a lot. She's on her phone too much, like every other person that we know. And she gets some headaches. So we're gonna check her for subluxation in her cervical spine and her lumbar spine, and then we're gonna get her adjusted. Let's take a look. So we previously checked her, so we're not gonna do a full check with her. Turn your head to the right for me. Center, left, center. It's the L5 and S1 vertebra on the right side. Any tenderness there?
Oh.
Generally speaking, what's going to happen is there's a deep stabilizer muscle right in here in the lumbar area called the quadratus lumbarum. And what that's going to do is it's going to start to tense up as that hip shifts and that pelvis shifts. So we're going to adjust the pelvis on the right, and we're going to check her thoracic spine too. Should be spongy in here, pretty tight and taut. This has to do with some postural issues as well. Head carries too far forward. You're on your phones and reading too much, or looking at TikTok or Instagram. Mental Health Center. There you go. There you go. Good. Good job. On your back. Some restriction here at C7. Just that lower cervical spine. Good. There. So just that area as well. How you feel?
Good.
Come on up.